What's the meaning of communalism? Communalism. Communalism.
Communalism. Communalism. Communalism refers to a political ideology that prioritizes the interests of a particular community over those of society as a whole. This can lead to tensions and conflicts between different communities within a society, as each seeks to advance its own interests. In extreme cases, communalism can lead to violence and even sectarian conflict. Ultimately, communalism can be damaging to social cohesion and undermine efforts to build a more inclusive and equitable society that benefits all its members.